Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been again and again a long time. It's been 2 months since I uploaded a video, and the reason for that is yes, if you really want a clear skin, taro nga imong life jay. Taro nga imong lifestyle kay pero grabe, karon na quarantine no. Dili ka kaingon nga magmaayo imong lifestyle because by the way, today I'll just be doing a get ready with me. Kapangutan na mo no, ano siya padulong. Dili ko mulakaw, I'll just be filming a video for my online class. And yes, everyday jud ko kay nga ani mag-makeup, mag-film, mag-edit, makeup, film, edit. Mas daghan pa kog na-upload nga videos para sa akong students kaysa sa ako ang videos para sa akong YouTube. So, ka-inspired mo ko maghimog video karon for the YouTube channel. I'm just gonna be doing a get ready with me /chika/ Katara. So, without further chika, let's get started.
Those stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Na-frustrate jud ko sa akong pimples. Kay grabe gid siya nga breakout. And if natingala mo no nga nung murag ang akong kilay isa na lang siya katudling dayon. Ako na siyang gituyo wala na siya napahak or nasunog or whatever. Ako na siyang gituyo for the trend or the fox eye, the eye. Kini laging TikTok. Grabe influence ng TikTok ko eh. By the way, naday ko yung TikTok account. You may follow me there. Nonsense lang po di ako mga ginapang buhat dito. So, kung garan kag mga nonsense na, you can follow me there. It's here somewhere. I'm gonna post it somewhere or I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Next is, oh yeah, this one, the dewy lotion. Ginasagol na ko siya sa foundation every time I film kay kung dili baga kayo coverage, full coverage ba yan eh. So yeah, isa ra ka pump sa foundation and then I'll be putting 3 or 2 pumps on this one. Next is ako concealer. Loose powder. Dili sa mo murag lang akong dunggan news is July 22 murag mo balik na daw ang regular classes. I'm not sure though, pero yeah. May rason, magsugod na gid ang klase kay ang ako ang timbang no. Grabe gyud. Bronzer is a must. Next is my kilay. See the difference? Blush. This is a Thai brand. So Watson's name ako napalit. Thailand. Watson's Thailand. And then eyeliner. Okay, so akong mata no is grabe siya ka hooded. Wrinkly siya. So the way I put on my eyeliner is very different. If ako siyang anaon, dili siya tanan ang maputangan. So, ano siya? Kung pagmata, yeah. See, muni ako normal nga eyes. So, like eyeliner. Grabe ka, wrinkly, and grabe ka hooded. I don't know why it's like that. Mascara. This is from Benefit, the Bad Gal. BAM! Nag-chat akong best friend. Shout out sa akong best friend. Hi, my friend. Kumusta ang kaslunon? And done. Highlighter. Uy, kapoy na jud ko ani among online pero minti. This is the Tarte Pro Glow from Tarte. And kini siya ang shade. This one. And then lips. This one is from Nari Cosmetics. Thai brand ni siya. I love it so much. Nana ko'y upat. Kaya ani or 5. Isa na ko. From Mario Badescu. Naghan pa ako sa ating spray pero pang ano to sila pang special occasions. This one is for everyday use. And abin niyo nahuman ako. Wala pa ko nahuman. I'm still gonna in English pa dahil. Ako pang blansyahan akong buhok kay mura pa ko gikulata. So, yes. So this is basically what I do every day, every night before I film for my online class. Ana siya kahago, but yeah, I don't really have a choice. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you have questions and if you have some suggestions, feel free to comment down below. And please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.